Today, I am going to share you one of the best way to make $100 per day using Spotify podcast. Yes, you heard right. And, literally no one is talking about this in the entire social media, so, this is the great opportunity for you to start making money online. So, let's get started. Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to make money with your Spotify podcast using artificial intelligence tools and even without recording your voice. Podcasting has become a popular medium for people to share their thoughts and ideas with the world. However, making money from podcasting can be a challenge, especially if you're just starting out. In this video, we will show you how to use AI tools to monetize your podcast without the need for a voiceover or any speaking. Section 1. Setting up your Spotify account. Before we get into the details of how to monetize your podcast, you first need to set up your Spotify account. To do this, go to the Spotify website and create an account. Once you have created your account, you can then start creating your podcast. To do this, go to the Spotify Podcasters page and click on Create Podcast. This will take you through a step-by-step process to set up your podcast. Section 2. Choosing your podcast topic. The first step to monetizing your podcast is to choose a topic that people are interested in. Some popular podcast topics include business, health, and self-improvement. You can find trending topic by Google Trends, or you can just simply search some of the category and you can see the list of trending topics. Once you have chosen your topic, it's time to start creating your podcast episodes. Before we end this section, I would like to recommend an artificial intelligence bot which can help you to write scripts. You may heard of this bot, which is GPT-3. This is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that can generate human-like text. You can use it to create podcast scripts and descriptions. Next, Section 3. Creating your podcast episodes. To create your podcast episodes, as I mentioned, you can use AI tools to generate a script for your episode like GPT-3. There are also many AI tools available online that can help you with this, like ChatGPT. Simply type in your podcast topic, and the AI tool will generate a script for you. Once you have your script, you can then use a text-to-speech tool to convert your script into an audio file. Here's one artificial intelligence bot which can help you to voice over your script. Watson Text-to-Speech. This is an AI tool developed by IBM that can convert written text into natural-sounding speech. You can use it to convert your podcast scripts into audio files. Also, another artificial intelligence bot to find trends. I know, I mentioned Google Trends to find, but this artificial intelligence bot is the way better than Google to find trends. BuzzSumo. This is an AI-powered content discovery tool that can help you find popular topics related to your podcast and identify potential sponsors. Next, Section 4. Uploading your podcast episodes to Spotify. Once you have created your podcast episodes, it's time to upload them to Spotify. To do this, go to the Spotify Podcasters page and click on Select Files. This will allow you to upload your audio file to Spotify. Make sure to give your episode a title and description that accurately reflects the content of the episode. Here's one artificial intelligence bot to run your search engine optimization. AudioBurst. This is an AI-powered audio search engine that can help you optimize your podcast SEO and improve its visibility on Spotify. Section 5. Monetizing your podcast. Now that you have uploaded your podcast episodes to Spotify, it's time to start monetizing your podcast. One way to do this is through sponsorships. You can use AI tools to identify potential sponsors based on your podcast topic and audience demographics. Once you have identified potential sponsors, you can reach out to them and offer them a sponsorship opportunity. Another way to monetize your podcast is through affiliate marketing. You can use AI tools to identify products or services that are relevant to your podcast topic and audience. You can then include affiliate links in your podcast episode descriptions or show notes. When someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. As I mentioned above, you can use AudioBurst iBot to build good SEO. Section 6. Promoting your podcast. Finally, in order to make money from your podcast, you need to promote it. You can use AI tools to identify potential listeners based on their interests and demographics. You can then use social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter to promote your podcast to these potential listeners. You can also use AI tools to optimize your podcast search engine optimization, SEO, and improve its visibility on Spotify. This will help you attract more listeners and increase your chances of monetizing your podcast. In conclusion, Podcasting is a great way to share your ideas and thoughts with the world. By using AI tools to monetize your podcast, you can make money without the need for a voiceover or any speaking. We hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to use AI tools to monetize your podcast. Thank you for watching and happy podcasting.